For children born deaf, the only way to learn sound is through sight and touch.
Are you fine? Are you fine? You're 7. How old am I? How old is Carol?
But now these researchers have developed a new technique. First, using X-rays, they've analyzed the movements of lips, tongue, and throat as they make the 60 separate sounds needed to form words. Then they've programmed a computer to duplicate those movements as the actual sounds or words are spoken.
We were away a year ago. It's time we rounded up that herd of Asian cattle.
And finally, they created a visualization for the students to aim for, a dotted line drawing that illustrates each different sound.
I want you to say the sound ah.
Ah. Ah.
Ah.
Ah.
The students now try to duplicate that picture with their own voice.
Ah.
Ah.
Good girl.
Ah.
See if you can get it right up to
The
the top.
closer their sound is to the actual one, the more identical the computer response is to the model.
That's the best one so far, isn't it? Right up to the top. Very good.
For younger children, a smiling computer face offers encouragement.
Boy. Smiling a little bit. So you can make him smile more. A big smile.
New sounds are easily programmed.
Good. You have to change the sound, Ian. It's a big smile, isn't it? From here
This is
to here.
computer research that makes everyone smile. You asked for it.